Hey everybody, it's me again, David again, and I was outside putting in pavers in the ground to the swimming pool ladder, and then this thing decided to show up. It's supposed to come with not only just two 5.0 amp hour batteries, but from acmetools.com I got a deal and I'm supposed to get an additional two 5.0 amp hour batteries. This is a 36 volt Makita cordless freaking saw. I'm about to open this thing up and let's see if I got my extra two batteries. I'm excited. Love it. I don't even know if I can figure out how to open this thing without cutting myself. Bear with me on this. It better have those batteries in there, I know that. They did probably in there. They reteed this thing like a mug.
Just like Christmas.
It is, man. I'm like a kid on Christmas. Two 5.0 amp hour batteries. Loving it. Loving it. Looks like they come with 1 bar of power each. So there's that. Owner's manual, I'll be going over that most definitely at another time. Of course, you get your poster of all the Makita cordless lineup. 270 plus tools. Gotta love the variety. Oh man, there's more stuff coming out here. Good grief! Outdoor essentials from Acme Tools. Man, just keeps on giving. Man, I like it.
Whoa.
What the heck's got 2 in it already? Yes! Just gotta open up the rafter hook. See what kind of juice these come with. 1 bar. And, come on, 1 bar. 5.0s for days. Love it. The blade is in there. You gotta be careful. Wrap the hook down. Of course, you got your fuel gauge up top too. 1 bar, 1 bar. I feel 0 vibration, none. Of course, you gotta hit your switch before you hit your switch. Safety switch, then trigger. Man, I love that
it's
electric
quiet.
brake. That is much quieter than standard 7 1/4 saw. It takes 2 hands to hold it, no doubt. It is front heavy because it is a rear handle design. Holy smokes, man, I love it. How many RPM is this thing? I don't even know. I'm sure it says on the box. 5100. Blade size 7 1/4. Comes with the standard Makita 7 1/4 framing blade, a framing saw blade, magnesium, right there, magnesium. As TRZ, Tool Review Zone Clint, likes to say, this is the Ferrari of circular saws. And now I got me one with 2 extra free batteries. That's awesome. Also, duly of note, the dual port charger definitely comes in handy. And notorious for Makita, no, you cannot hang it, but it doesn't matter, I don't hang mine anyway. It's supposed to be a USB port, you know, USB. Charge your devices, awesome. That's great stuff. Anybody who cares, I don't know, I'm just kind of getting into this myself about the amount of amperage that these things may have. 460 watt, 50 to 60 hertz, 460 watt. Or was that 50? My eyesight's getting bad. 460 watt. Contractor bag. Grief, they got this thing all sealed in. Man, I love it. Very very similar to a Milwaukee. It's got the steel bar, the rigid bar in there, outer pockets for storage, seamed in between each pocket. So you have like 3 here, padded handle, pockets, 3 there, cross stitching on both straps. How's the pull tab? Oh yeah, there you go. Hooks for the shoulder strap, I'm sure it comes with. Pull tabs, 2 of them, not just one. Very ergonomic actually too. They're curved for ergonomics, that's awesome. It's always those outside corners on a freaking zipper in a contractor bag. Yeah, wow, even got inside pockets too. Blades, batteries, charger if you need to. Pretty cool. Man, even though a Milwaukee contractor bag that came with Red Sonja, the super Sawzall, doesn't have interior pockets. Padded bottom. I'd say it's weatherproof, not waterproof. Padded bottom. Yeah, there you go. There's my new Makita 36 volt, 7 1/4 circular saw. Mine on mine. Thanks for watching, and as always, God bless.